How to pay credit card bill in Scotiabank app. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, you will have to open up the Scotiabank app, and after logging into your account, on the home page you will be able to find the option of credit card section. Just simply select the credit card for which you want to pay the bill. And after that, you just have to click on the option of pay on the next screen, and over there you will also be able to see the amount that you need to pay. Just simply click on pay, and after that, this is the kind of a screen that you will be able to see. Select the account from which you are making this particular transfer. You can select your checking account or savings account, and after that, in the tools section, it will already select automatically the credit card bill and type the amount that you want to transfer, and also frequency can be selected, whether you want it on monthly basis, weekly basis, or once. Just select it and schedule your payment. After that, just slide it for the transfer. So this is how easy it is to pay the credit card bill in Scotiabank app. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.